Okay guys, this is a W204 aka C300. Today we're going to be replacing the compressor for this. I'm actually trying to highlight a little bit of what you need to do here because I'm not going to be taking a bunch of your time. So first of all, you're going to pop this cover up, right? Just drag it a little bit and you can see the return clip that actually hold it in place. That's supposed to go here, 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 and here. So you need to grab it from up, pull that first, then grab it from the bottom, and it should be out. Then when it's out, the first thing you're gonna be needing to lose is this guy right here that is being secured with hex 1, 2. Then you have the third one here. Then when you lose that, you're gonna be finding something to actually catch the power steering fluid. When you get that out of the way, you're gonna be needing to lose out the power steering pump that is underneath that very power steering servo container reservoir. So when you lose out this, most often times it's being secured by 3 bolts and it's all Mercedes hex bolts. So when you lose it out, but before losing it out, you'll be needing 17mm, which you need to put around here and push it downwards to remove the serpentine belt. When you remove the serpentine belt, then you can uninstall the power steering. Now the next one is the compressor. The compressor is quite tricky to remove, but the best way is you have the first one on top here, which I think is better I show you how it is, but it's gonna take your time. But the first one which you need to lose out is here, which is also being secured by the Mercedes hex bolt. You lose the first one there, then the other one you can't access it easily from here, so you'll be needing to access it from this tire. So you need to jack the car up, then you'll be accessing it from here. You might need to lose down this bottom cover here, but if you don't want to, you can just slide it the way I slided it like this, then you can access it from here. The first bolt can be accessed from here, right, with a longer extension. Then the other last one there can be accessed from here, right? And let me get to you, give you some shot. So as soon as you lose it from here, then the other side you're going to be finding very hard to lose out. You can see the other one right there. That's it right here between this cross beam. Then the other one here, the last one, is just between the tie rod. You can see over there. You need to put a long extension 3/8 to actually lose that up. When you lose it up, then what about the pipe? The pipe, you're gonna be needing to probably from here to lose it out, or find a ratchet which you're gonna be using to lose it out from up. Either ways, I think the from the engine hood is gonna be much more easier accessible. I hope you find this helpful. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.